welcome back to my channel. Before we continue to this video, click like and subscribe button to support us, and you will get daily updates, okay? We thought we knew a thing about the cutting-edge Porsche 911 GT3, however perhaps we don't. A month ago, Automotive revealed that the 992 arrangement, track-centered 911 would change to a 3.8-liter twin-turbo level 6 with around 550 torque. Be that as it may, Australian outlet Drive said Porsche's Dr. Forthright Stefan Walliser denied media reports the cutting-edge 911 will include an all-turbocharged motor lineup mated to aluminum design imparted to VW aggregate cousins in Audi's R8 and the Lamborghini Huracan. The GT3 and GT3 RS remain as the main normally suctioned 911s remaining in Porsche's lineup. We could search for pieces of information where there are none and consider that maybe Walliser occupied with semantic trickery. Perhaps he implied the coming models won't be both all-turbocharged and in light of shared aluminum structures. The Automobile report says the 992 arrangement auto will remain on the 991 arrangement stage until the mid-2020s, and Road and Track report trusts the 992 arrangement will move to the Volkswagen Group's shared SAR design. The greater part of this feels like a long reach, however, on the grounds that Walliser included that I might want to proceed with the light, normally suctioned motor, and that in the fight against outflows controls, Porsche would stay with the NA Level 6 as long as we can do it. Since Walliser is Porsche's head of GT Motorsport and GT Generation Sports Autos and drove building on both the 918 Hybrid and new 911 GT2, he should hear what he's saying. Walliser's confidence later on of Games Autos versus buyer patterns drove him to state that the last auto at any point manufactured would be a GT3 manual, proposing he knows not just about how we'll get our Porsche control, however how we'll put the shut down, as well. Regardless of what occurs with the GT3, the coming Cayman GT4 will get the 4.0-liter NA Level 6 from the current GT3, as will the Boxster Spyder. The main admonition we can consider is that we don't know to what extent as long as we can means, and we could be 2 years from the dispatch of the following GT3. Which feels like all the more coming to. We'll may get clearer until come October, when the new 911 appearances people in general at the Paris Motor Show, or maybe sooner, when the 2019 GT3 RS makes a big appearance 1 month from now at the Geneva Motor Show.